Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this AURIVO 5.2 amp hour 56 volt Ego compatible battery. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost anything extra. So let's get this open. So here we have the battery. Pull that out. We have a user guide here. You'll want to read through this on your own. I may not cover everything. It has general notes about batteries. Don't short the terminals out. Only charge it within the temperature range of 5C to 40C. So pretty basic stuff. Here's the battery itself. We have a power button here that does the indicator. So it's showing 5 LEDs like it's fully charged. Now I'm going to top this off before I use it. So this is made of plastic. Now it's hard plastic all around. The Ego branded batteries have rubber around the edges. Now you really shouldn't drop it either way. So that's not a huge concern to me, but it's something to take note of. So this is a 50.4 volt, 5.2 amp hour battery, and it's 262 watt hours. So a battery like this could be good for a blower. You could use it for a lawnmower. If you have a larger lawn, it may not cover the whole lawn, but if you need a second battery to finish off a lawn, this could work well. Of course, the weed trimmer, other tools like that. So I'm going to get this on the charger. I'll get it topped off, and then we'll go test it out. Okay, so here I have my Ego charger. I'll put that on there, and I'll just let that run, and I'll come back and check it in a little bit. Okay, so I have my Ego blower here. This is the 530 CFM model, and I have the battery. I'll slot it in. Fits in nicely. We have the indicator here. So let's go try it out. I have a few leaves here. Let's get these. Let's clean this up a bit. It doesn't look super dirty, but there is debris behind these pieces of stone. And here we have some leaves accumulated by this gate. Here's some more. So that worked very well. I feel like I was getting as much power as I would get out of the original battery. Now this actually came with a 2.5 amp hour battery, and this is a 5.2, so this is going to give me at least double the runtime of the original battery, plus that battery is older. And this thing used a lot of energy on the turbo mode. I was mostly using the turbo mode there. So I think this battery is going to be a big improvement over the one that came with it. So I have a 7.5 amp hour Ego battery that is with my mower, and it's getting older, and sometimes I have trouble finishing the lawn with it. It'll be nice I can put this battery in to finish my lawn. Now we're just finishing up with winter here and springtime is coming, so I'll be getting into lawnmower season and I'll really get a lot of use out of this battery. So that's the AURIVO 5.2 amp hour Ego compatible lithium battery. If you have some older Ego equipment and the original batteries are not giving you the life that you used to and you want to get more life out of them, I think a battery like this is a great option. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you liked this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.